I'm just doing the finishing touches on polishing this harp for the eternal light. This is the structure that will hang the eternal light. I polished it with my flex shaft to avoid the dangers of polishing it with a large polishing machine. And it's not just the hazard for me of polishing something like this, but I need to protect the object itself. Now this harp will actually go inside this eternal light, which is made in two parts. I've learned a tremendous amount about how things disassemble and assemble, which goes directly into my artwork. Here's the harp. It will go down inside. It's a little difficult, and I'm going to need help for this final assembly as I put it together. And it's just going to be an absolutely magnificent object when it's finished.